I'm the Derek Frank.
Wait, no. I'm the Derek Frank. You're Josue.
Oh, you're so right. Okay.
Yeah,
Take. Today we're here to check out these microphones from Maono. These are magnetic clip-on microphones that work with your Samsung and
No, this guy's terrible at making these videos. What I want you to say is these new microphones, these are the new Wave T5s from Maono, and they can clip on with magnets. They've got some really cool accessories, but the great thing is they work with Android phones. They work with all those nasty iPhones, and they also come with a receiver that can hook right into a normal camera. That's what you should say, right?
Can you repeat that one more time?
Yeah, well, let's go somewhere else because you're just not getting it.
Wait a minute. That's it. I don't get it.
But at the end of the day, we're just testing out these microphones to see. So I have one on. As you can see, I have one. And the Derek Frank, Josue, now I'm confused, has one. But the thing that I really love about these microphones is besides being small, they sound really great. What we're gonna do is Josue's just gonna test the microphones and tell you a little bit about the building and about what he does. And I'm gonna show off some of his music in the video. But this way we can kind of get a test of how both mics work together and how well they work just going in a really loud environment.
Let's go to the loud environment.
We're in a loud environment.
This is the loud environment?
Yeah, but you don't have to put it up to your mouth. It'll work.
Yeah, I know, but it just felt like... All right, let's
It's a very boomy room.
I make music. That's what I do. I work in the Best Buy T-Tech Center. That's where I spend most of my time. I'm gonna move to Nashville in April of this year.
Did you buy a cowboy hat?
Not yet.
Are you going to?
No.
Oh, what about boots?
Not yet.
And what are you doing in Nashville?
I'm gonna be dedicating my life to music. So what I'm gonna be doing is private interning for a producer, professional producer down there, and then attending Blackbird Academy.
Wow, okay.
And then super cool.
That's super cool. So one thing I also love about these microphones is that since they're so small and lightweight, you kind of forget they're there.
Yeah, huh?
They don't pull on your shirt like my Rode Wireless Go's. You know that you're wearing a Rode Wireless Go, but these you forget about pretty quickly. Stairs. That sounds like a lot of work.
Yeah, for you a minute.
Was that a fat joke?
Stop it! Cut it out! I have a glandular problem.
We need to record something in here. It's a great reverb chamber.
Reverb chamber?
Yeah, listen to it. Now, I wonder how the mics pick up reverb. Now, let's do it one more time. Now I've turned off the active noise canceling because it might sound really weird. So go ahead and sing that again.
Is the roof still shattered and your dice can roll up?
When you drive up north to the county shore, you wish I'd hold you.
Wow. Ooh.
Wow, that's super cool.
We should sample this for reverb. All right. You have to have a key to get through here. And I'm special.
And fish.
All right, so let's turn the active noise canceling back on, which is great. You can either do it on the microphone or you can do it on the receiver that's plugged into the phone or into the camera. Okay, we had some fun and we were testing these out in real time, but let's see why these are really great. And I'm gonna give you my opinions on this. Now, Maono did send these at no cost, but this isn't a sponsored video. They did not pay for this. Plus, I really wanted to test these out because of the last set of microphones from Maono that I did a review on. I thought that these were going to be really cool, and with all of these like mini puck style mics coming out, I wanted to see how theirs matched up. I'm really, really happy with these. I'm not disappointed in the least bit. These things are hitting way over their price range, which is one of the best features. If you want the lightning adapter, the USB-C adapter, and the adapter to go into your camera, it's $109. That also comes with all the accessories, like this cool little accessory pack, plus this charging case. So let's check out what accessories we do get. So in there, we get these really cool little magnetic clips, and those just if you want to have them more up here, or if you have a lapel that you want to hook them to, these are great for that. You also get a magnetic necklace style, or you can use it as a bracelet or whatever you want. Really easy to adjust for the size. So having a couple different options for mounting these, or maybe wearing it around your neck, that's a really great thing to have. Also, you're going to get your little cable, your audio cable. You're going to get a charging cable, and you're going to get these dead cats. The dead cats also look really cool when they're on because they go completely around the microphone, and they do a really good job of knocking down the wind. Let's talk about some of the specs. They weigh less than 9 grams. They have a studio grade audio with the best 80 decibel signal to noise ratio, 128 dB of maximum sound pressure level, and they run on a 48 kilohertz 24-bit audio format, which is really great. Me being an audio guy and using actual professional studio software, having that 48 kilohertz is great, especially when you're doing video work. You're almost always should be using 48. The pro level intelligent noise cancellation is fantastic. Other ones that I've heard really mess it up. I've heard some top name brands that when you hit that, they sound very robotic. I did just test another set from Fifine that were really cool, but the AI noise cancellation was pretty much unusable. Now, the final thing on this that makes these so fantastic is the app that Maono has that's free when you get these. In the app, you can fine tune all of the stuff like the noise suppression, how much it's using. You can even make it change the timbre of the quality of the sound that's coming through. What I also loved was the second I got these, before they were even released to the public, I was able to go into the app and there was already an update. I had tested them before the update and they sounded amazing. But then when I did the update, they sounded even better. So the fact that they've got support for these microphones after the fact is going to be a huge plus for you. Now, I know I always look for pros and cons in all of the microphones and all the stuff I test, but in these, I couldn't really find a con. They're lightweight, they sound good, they're incredibly inexpensive, they come with a ton of extra accessories. What more could you really want? Also, these can go up to 1,000 feet of transmission. Now, we tested it out on different floors in the building and it was still working. So if it can work through walls that are like massive concrete walls and floors, I would say that you're probably gonna get pretty darn close to that 1,000 feet. Not sure what you'd ever need it for, but you never know. Maybe you wanna clip it to your drone and fly it around and have audio on your drone. I don't know, but it is still a really great thing that you can have that kind of transmission rate. Of course, you're going to love these microphones, but if you want to buy them, I have links down below to my Amazon affiliate account. Every little bit helps the channel. And of course, if you haven't done so already, make sure hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with another review.